So next I'm just gonna sand this down so it's flush, as well as remove the paint down to the original fiberglass cloth, so the new patch that goes on will have something to stick to. You see the paint primer in there showing. Want to keep on moving because the sanding makes it quite hot. And heat is not good. I need to move it back quite a bit because when you add the layers of resin, it's like when you're mudding drywall. Each layer you want to spread out a bit further so the transition from the existing to the new is not noticeable. It's nice and smooth. Make life easy, I'm not going to go around the corner. Okay, board needs to flip. So often when I get into these edges, I'm going to slow down. So having a good variable speed drill is ideal. There it is. It's the bottom. And the deck. Next step is to get our 4-ounce e-glass patch and put that on there. I'll also use a black pigment on it because the more layers of black, the better it'll be, or the easier it'll be to keep things matching to the existing. Because I find painting is not my forte. I don't like painting. I'll do it, but I don't like to do it.